Good afternoon, guys. This is the third day, so I got everything in. I'm going to go ahead and open everything up, trying to see what I got, do a little bit of a description of what I have, and go from there. Got me a makeshift table. So let's see what we got here. Start with the motherboard. It's Asus. Main feature of this one, what's the Wi-Fi? Maybe in the future I will hardwire it in, but right now I don't have that capability, so Wi-Fi is important. Pretty awesome. You got to see, nice and plastic. Ooh. Smells good. Let's see what we got here. I got some cables, some mounts. Get this bad boy out. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Twice have gloves on, huh? Reiterate, this is my first time, so hopefully I don't mess it up too bad. This will be a pretty expensive mess up. USB, HDMI, data port, LAN. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. When I do the full video putting it together, I will have the description, in the description, links, if anybody's interested. I'll probably be calling people for help. See what else is in here. Okay. More brackets, connectors. Let's see. Instructions. Yes. One of the few times I will read the instructions from top to bottom. I got a promo code. Okay, awesome. Okay. Put it back up, see what else we got. See what else we got. So just open up the graphics card. I think I've said it before. I got this card really because I didn't know, but I do want to do some gaming. That's something I want to do in the future more of. You know, I come from the generation of Nintendos and Segas. So I want to try computer gaming. I want to get a little hands-on with that and see what I can do. If you can see what it was, it was a GeForce GTX 1650. It's not the top of the line. Of course, right now you can't get anything that's top of the line. And of course, it's more towards gaming and editing. But I'm gonna give it a shot, see what it's about. Let's see here. Ooh, nice packaging. Ooh. Very nice. I went with the ones that had a little RGB already built in, so it will have some color once I get it in there. So as of right now, the plan is to put this together on Sunday, maybe Saturday night, Sunday morning, late, to have as much time as possible to get it working. I'm not gonna open these as of right now. These are this is my RAM. Right now, 32 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna use both channels. They're both the same thing. It just ordered enough to make sure that was good to go. Here's my Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive. I got 2. Don't know if I'm going to use both of them or not. Probably just use one. I do have another build plan with my boy Alex, AB. His computer is right there. I'm looking at it. I look at it every day. So, see if I can get this open. Wrapped up pretty good. So let's see here. I'm not gonna take it out as of right now, but basically that's the size of it. Put that back over here. Got a lot of reading to do. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Went with a Ryzen on this one for larger things. Of course, I didn't go top of the line. I went somewhere in the middle. But it's what it'll do what I need to do. That's some hellified packing. There is the CPU right there. Nice, very nice. Save all the boxes. Came with a cooler. Don't know if I'm gonna use this one or not. I bought another cooler just in case, but this came with it, so very nice. I would get both of them out just to see. This is a cooler I bought for it. Keep my stuff separated. All right, let's see here. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna try to get to meat and potatoes. All right, this is the hardware. Yep. Very nice, very nice. Let's look at this bad boy. It's almost the same as the other one. Nothing else in there. This one, a little bit beefier. Don't know if it's might be too big, but it was recommended to go with. So as you can see, it's much beefier, much beefier. So we will see. We will see. Put that back in there. All right, so we got the meat and potatoes out of the way. Let's look at the case. If I'm not mistaken, this has RGB built into, but it's supposed to have really good ventilation. So I am super stoked with this one. I was really searching for the right case because I wanted something that looks nice, but I also wanted something that had good airflow. You can spend a ton of money on these things. I think this one was $100. I think maybe a little bit less, a little more. No more than $115. I looked at a bunch. foam. Let's see. The bag off. So, as you can see, it's white. There's a clear side. Oh, it has 3 fans already in it, so the airflow should be great. Should be awesome. Very nice. It's like easy access. Very easy. As you can see, well, that's all of it except for the power supply, which is right over there. I want to unbox it right now. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the 850 or the 650, but stay tuned.